Hello, welcome to Inspirely, where we help children develop a growth mindset through the education of STEAM and beyond. Are you worried that your child is spending too much time on the screen and also looking for creative hands-on activities? Look, you just found the right place. These STEAM kits are fun and educational. They are suitable for children ages 6 to 14 years and mainly used by children in private schools or camps as science projects. Serve as an excellent family bonding activity, or give it as an awesome learning gift. It's also a perfect choice as a corporate gift for families with children. By providing these kits, we hope to encourage families to spend more time together while also promoting learning and creativity in young minds. You've been wondering long enough. It's time to give the gift of learning. Please speak with Inspirely Sales Associates for individual or bulk buy of STEAM kits. Thank you.